You know, high-speed trains can travel up to 200 miles per hour.
Yeah, but trains that fast need stronger, precise metal parts to stay safe.
That's where Metal Solutions in Vandergrift, Pennsylvania comes
They
in.
manufacture precision metal components used in transportation.
So let's learn how engineering and manufacturing help high-speed trains move.
The U.S. continues to invest in rail infrastructure. Metal Solutions will continue to be a part of that in the future of mobility.
Well, I'd say every machine tool out there has some benefit to the company in one shape or form. Otherwise, we'd just purge it and wouldn't really need it. But everything you see out there is used at some point in time during the manufacturing process.
What does your job involve when using the laser?
I'm the fabrication supervisor, so my job for the laser involves taking the files or parts from the customers, drawing them, creating the programs for the laser operator to run, and sometimes running it myself.
How do you make sure safety is a top priority here at Metal Solutions in the shop?
Well, keeping a clean shop is job one on that end.
What do you enjoy most about working at Metal Solutions?
The people, and get to work a 4-day week, so I get more time for hunting and fishing.
With manufacturing, there's so many different paths you can take. You can do machining, you can do welding, you can be in sales, you can be in quality, you can be an engineer. It's really kind of all-encompassing, and there's just a ton of opportunity to really make something real and make the world move forward.
Through technology, it's going from cranking handles by hand to pushing buttons, basically. It's become a lot easier, simplified.
High-speed trains are incredible technology.
And they rely on precision engineering and strong metal parts.
Companies like Metal Solutions in Vandergrift, Pennsylvania help make those parts.
Local manufacturing supports transportation around the world.